Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings via the three-dot menu. Don't pause, type Notifications into the Settings search box to jump there. Once done, make sure you're signed into the correct profile if you use multiple. This ensures changes apply where you expect. You'll see a Notifications section listing sites and permission toggles. Make immediate note of any site you want to keep. You'll toggle or remove suspicious entries in the next step. Now, inspect the Allow and Block lists. You'll click the three-dot menu next to each site to remove or block it. Removal stops that site from auto-prompting, and blocking enforces silence. If many sites are unwanted, use Reset Permissions to clear them quickly, then re-add trusted sites manually. Make sure to toggle the global sites can ask to send notifications, switch off if you want no new prompts. This prevents future interruptions while you finish cleanup. Finish by restarting Chrome so settings fully apply across tabs and windows. This often stops lingering notifications. If a site still pushes notifications, clear its site data via Privacy and Security, right arrow site settings, right arrow view permissions and data stored across sites, then repeat the remove/block step. Finally, if problems persist, disable extensions temporarily. Some can override notification controls. If that fixes it, re-enable extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.